Hey, fellow coders and code enthusiasts. Welcome to Tech Brains, your ultimate destination for all things coding and programming. Get ready to unlock the world of endless possibilities. Get to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell, because we're about to embark on a journey of innovation and creativity together. With each video, you'll be one step closer to mastering the art of coding. Let's get right to it. Hello, fellow adventurers, and welcome back to another thrilling episode of Python Adventures. I'm your host, Roy, and today we're diving headfirst into the enchanting realm of variables and data types. Get ready for a wild ride as we unlock the secrets of storing data and discover the fascinating world of integers, floats, strings, and even the mysterious Booleans. Scene 1. Unleashing the power of variables. All right, aspiring Python wizards, let's start with the basics. Variables. Imagine variables as magical containers that hold precious information. With a flick of our coding wand, we can declare these variables and store all sorts of data in them. Behold, I hereby declare the variable spellbook and fill it with the mystical incantation abracadabra. Spellbook =, abracadabra. And just like that, our spellbook variable now holds the power of abracadabra, ready to use whenever we summon it. Scene 2. The dance of data types. But wait
a minute! Who are you?
We have integers, floats, strings, and the elusive Booleans. These data types define the nature of the magic we're working with.
So what I believe you were trying to say is thank you.
Spell_power =, 42, that is, an integer representing spell power mana _ pool =, 3.14, that is, a float indicating the mystical mana pool spell _ name =, fireball, that is, a string describing our potent spell is _ powerful =, true, that is, a Boolean, the truth about our spell's might. See, we've summoned an integer, a float, a string, and a Boolean to our realm of code. Each data type brings its own unique charm to our magical journey. Scene 3. Unveiling the mystery. Now, you might be wondering, how do we even know the type of our magical ingredients? Fear not, for Python provides us with the wondrous type, spell. Host. With a wave of our keyboard, behold the type, spell in action. Print type, spell power. print type, mana pool. Print type, spell L _ name. Print type is powerful. And there you have it, fellow adventurers. We've unveiled the true identity of our magical data types. And that, my dear viewers, wraps up our captivating journey into the world of variables and data types in Python. We've learned to wield the power of variables, explored the realms of integers, floats, strings, and Booleans, and even discovered the type, spell, to reveal the essence of our data. Stay tuned for more enchanting adventures on Python Adventures. Until next time, keep coding, and may your programs be as magical as a unicorn's horn. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a spellbinding episode. Until next time, happy coding.